Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. And in this video we will solve one numerical of sheet metal that has been asked in GATE previous year. This is very interesting in terms of concept. You might study this concept, but this the numerical that has been asked in GATE examination on based on that concept. So what question is given that a cup of 10 centimeter height and 5 centimeter diameter is to be made from sheet metal 2 mm thickness. The number of deduction necessary will be, that means how many times you have to deep draw. This is the numerical of deep drawing. So they are basically asking how many times we have to draw this sheet, because uh, you can make it when one pass also, two, three, or you maybe whatever the answer. At the end of video you will be uh, you'll come to know what is the answer. So actually what is the chronology of this deep drawing is it, that first you will take a blank, and in first pass, first deduction, you can reduce maximum 50% of the diameter. Okay. In second pass you can reduce 33%, and in third pass 25%. Okay, this is the basic order of decreasing the diameter. So first of all we have to find what is the initial sheet, like here in example, that is it is given that a 10 centimeter height cup and 5 centimeter dia, that we have to find out. Okay, 5 centimeter. So basically we require a circular blank, which we will draw that, and we will make this. So what is the initial diameter, capital D, of that circular blank? It is, you know the equation very well, d square plus 4dh. Here capital D is for the diameter of circular blank, small d, that is the diameter of cup, that is given to you, and h is equal to height of the cup, that is also given to you. Put this value over here. It is 5 square 25 mm, sorry, centimeter height. Okay, 25 centimeter. Then 4 times diameter into height 10 centimeter. Okay, so finally uh, you will get under root of 225, that is 15 centimeter. Okay, so uh, you come to know that you require this much diameter of the blank. Now as per order, first in first pass you can reduce 50% diameter. So what your diameter after first pass is, first deep draw is 7.5 centimeter, but you require what, 5 centimeter. So again we have to again draw, so we can reduce 33% diameter. So you can write this diameter after second pass is d1 multiplied by 0.67. That means area after reduction is, that will be reduced by 33%. That means 67% of previous one. Okay, uh, I think you have understand. Again I am repeating, that is in second pass you can reduce 33%. That means the after second draw the diameter will be 0.67% of the first diameter. Okay, so 7.5 into 0.67, you will find 5.02 centimeter. So you might be take 2, but actually this 5 centimeter you require exact size. Okay, and here sheet thickness is also again 2 mm. So in deep drawing, in is deep drawing of this 2 thickness sheet, there is some spring back effect also. Okay. And there might be chance in actual deep drawing that is it is greater than 5.1 also. So 2 we cannot write, so again we have to go for third pass, but with less pressure. Okay. So if we apply full pressure in third pass, then the diameter will reduce below the 5 centimeter. But the third pass or the third deduction, that will be with a partial pressure that is given to the ram. Okay. So here the our answer is three three passes. I hope you understand this concept and hope you enjoy this video. Stay tuned and subscribe our channel for numericals like this. We will upload more videos. Thank you very much.